Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere.
look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really wanted to do this nice little summer sunset eye look using purple and yellow and orange. I really thought this look came out so nice, and I put like a little gold in the inner corner. I thought it would make the look a little pop. Didn't wear lashes, but you can definitely wear lashes and make this look go to another level. You know, when you wear lashes, your makeup looks so amazing. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. Thank you so much to those that continue to subscribe. I'm so grateful to you guys. I am trying to incorporate, I want to incorporate more faith videos on my channel. So if you would like to see videos like that, please comment down below if you're interested in that. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys recreate it, please tag me on it so I can see how you guys created this nice beautiful summer sunset eye look. Really love the way it came out, because I legit sat here guys and I did not know what I was gonna film, but I knew I had to film something for you guys. This Revolution strobe highlighter is so amazing. Like, I love this. I love the way, also my Physician formula, I cannot go wrong with that. It makes my skin look so nice and dewy and just perfect. So yeah, I really love this look. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. God bless.